So a Venn diagram question, which most people found okay. There were a couple of, or the part A was okay. The part B was quite hard, but the part A, most people found that it was all right. So what we need to do is we need to put all these numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, into this Venn diagram. So we start on 1 and we say, okay, is 1 in either A or B? Well, yes, it's in A and it's not in B, so it goes there. And we do the same for 2. Is 2 in A or B? Well, it's not in A and it's not in B, so therefore it goes on the outside. We do the same for 3. Well, it is in A and it is in B, therefore it goes in the middle. Next, number 4, it's not in A, but it is in B, so it goes here. 5, well, it's not in A, but yes, it is in B, so again, that goes there. 6, well, it's not in A, and it's not in B, so it goes on the outside. Now remember these, it doesn't matter where on the outside we put them, it really doesn't matter. 7, is it in A? Yes. Is it in B? No. So it just goes there. 8, yes, it's in A. No, it's not in B, so again, it goes there. And the 9, it's in A and it's in B, so it goes in the middle. So, part B, find the probability that the number is in set A, N, B. Now the N means and, so it has to be in both A and B. Well, how many numbers are there? Well, there's only 2 that are in both. So it's 2 out of, well, the probability is you can choose out of all of these numbers, and there's 9 numbers. So our probability is 2 out of 9. Again, we must make sure that's in its simplest form, but we would see that that is in its simplest form.